Rockin Classic Rock Lavender Mint Revival 45 ounces by Rockin Green is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper laundry detergent products. Best laundry soap, gentle yet powerful. Rockin Green Classic Rock Laundry Detergent is a safe, strong, plant-based clean rinsing natural detergent for people with soft to moderate water. Great for weekly basics, bedding or as a cloth diaper detergent. Kid-friendly, the manufacturer's natural laundry detergent is ideal for sensitive skin, chemical sensitivities, and allergic temperaments. Baby and kid safe, it also rocks on delicates, and is a cloth diaper detergent too. Concentrated formula, Rockin Green Classic Rock Laundry Detergent powder is highly concentrated and kicks butt as a laundry soap for efficient machines. Contains no fillers or dyes, so all you need is a few tablespoons per load. One bag is enough for up to 90 loads. Rockin Natural Detergent, the manufacturer's Classic Rock Laundry Detergent powder is free from phosphates, bleach, dyes, optical brighteners, parabens and SLS SLES. Vegan, gluten-free, biodegradable, and never tested on animals. Join the Rockin family. The manufacturer can all do the manufacturer's part to make the earth a better place. The manufacturer do ours by Rockin the clean so you can rock the green, natural laundry detergent by Rockin Green, perfect for cloth diapers, Classic Rock formula for normal water, up to 90 loads per bag, 45 ounces. Lavender Mint Revival Scent. Classic Rock Lavender Mint Revival.